Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved game crashing at startup, stuck on black screen or other issues on PC. So let's find the solutions. The very first thing what you have to do is to check the system requirements. So before you play the game, make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here. So you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. These are all the required specs, both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned. So before you launch the game, check the requirements and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it. Under general, in the launch option, you have to type -dx11 and now check if the game is launching or opening or not. If it doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option, type -d3d11 and now check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. After that, here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search or Windows security. After that, you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, now you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to an expected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update option, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version and after that, try to log into the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once you have done this, after that, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. From here you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, click on select run this program and as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam, confirm it. After that, log into Steam and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to update system BIOS. So for that, you have to first check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally, restart your system and then test the game. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to close them. So for that, you have to select the application, right click on it, click on end task. This will close the app that is running in the background and after that try to log into the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC and After that, try to log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next method is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. Most of the time, the antivirus software stops you from playing the game. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus program and after that launch the game and check. Next is to switch the game to SSD from HDD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you can come across crashing or several other issues while playing the game. So you should check it and if possible, move the game to SSD and after that launch the game. So go to Steam and click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is on another drive, you have to select it and click on move option, and after that move the game to SSD. Now install it and then launch the game and check whether the game is launching or opening or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, Steam users, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options. And after that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search options, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game to the list, you have to select it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, select high performance, and now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Halo Campaign Evolved game. For that, you have to go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into it, and finally reinstall Halo Campaign Evolved game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Halo Campaign Evolved game crashing at startup, stuck on black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.